Today I'd like to talk to you about worry. Worrying is basically in the same family as fear, and worry really destroys people. Worry could lead to an early death. Worry could lead to health symptoms that's out of whack. And the Bible tells us not to worry. It says to cast our care to the Lord. It says do not worry. So God doesn't want you to worry in any capacity. So I want to encourage you in your life today not to worry. Things may be happening as life sometimes, like this past week, we had an earthquake, we had a hurricane storm, and you could worry about it, you could stress it, or you could make good decisions, use wisdom, and not let worry affect you. A lot of people worry because they don't properly plan. And I want to encourage you today to properly plan and not allow worry to destroy you. So today, the goal is not to worry. The goal is to use wisdom, to properly plan, and to go forth in life with a smile. Be nice to someone today. Smile today. Enjoy your life. And once again, do not worry.